Just people, welcome back to all of you once again, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about the difference between text content and inner text, and some of the points I have already grabbed from docs and pasted here. You can see on the screen. So here text content, to get the text content of the node and its descendants, it returns the concatenation of the text contents of every child node. You can use it to set a text for a node. Inner text, the inner text returns the human readable text that takes CSS into account. So let's clarify with example. For that, so here the index.html file already available, and it is also the part of DOM manipulation. So let me do one thing. Let's comment all this, right? Okay, great. Let's suppose we have section component. So let's create section component. Okay, dot section, and it has some descendant childs. For an instance, 3 dot title, right? And let's create a paragraph text also. We all are doing cause of script, right? So if we want to access the text content of this section component, we can access by using both property, inner text and text content. Let's try with the example. Const section equal to document dot query selector dot section, right? Console dot log, let's log the text content, section dot text content, right? And let's execute this code. Now our browser is open. Let's see in the console screen. Control Shift I. Okay. See, how are you doing? We are doing great because of JavaScript. So here, by using text content, we are able to access the text content of a specific element. Like here we access element of this section. We can access by using inner text also, right? So here you can see, right? If I refresh, then you will see the same output as previous. How are you doing? We are doing great because of JavaScript. But friend, let's suppose this p element is hidden by using a CSS property, that is style display none, right? Now it's time to see, are you able to access the text content which is hidden using inner text? Of course not, because the documentations also mention that the inner text returns the human readable text that takes CSS into account. right? Let's save it. See, we are only able to access the text of first child of section element, that is this one h3 element, right? How are you doing? But here if we use text content, right, if we use text content, let's save it and see the output. Now see, since we have applied display none property into the p tag, in spite of that configuration we are able to see this. We are doing great because of JavaScript text. Hope you got the difference between text content and inner text, right? Likewise, we can also set the text using the same property, text content or inner text. Section dot inner text, but right, you can set. But the previous text will be removed if you use text content or inner text to set the text. And friends, that's all for in this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe and share, and thank you for watching.